Rob Barlow here, Whitewater Gun Dogs. Here we got little Dahlia, 13 and a half months old. She's out of our Matty Hawk breeding, our second breeding. We're running her with the collar on now, doing pattern work, 3 clip wings. The reason we're doing running her with the collar on now, I mean, she's collar conditioned, through obedience, collar conditioned. But in a couple weeks, she's going back to the yard, and we're going to start a formal steady process. And so I want her out running with the collar, getting used to it. It's not something new. We've been working on pattern work without collar with her. I just want her to open up and run and get used to some confidence and finding birds and using the wind. She's also ready to start running crosswinds, moving on to the big dog stuff. But we'll get her through her steadiness. We'll keep running her. We'll start switching around into crosswind. Today we're almost a crosswind. I mean, it's a pretty hard quartering up. So let's go find a couple birds. We're not using the collar, she's just running with it. There you go. Good job. Good, good. Come on, good girl. Hop, hop. Good, good. Good job. Hold that. Good job. Good job. Look at you. You're doing good, huh? Good job. All right. Letting her hold it for a little bit. Not in a hurry to take it away from her. Good. Drop. Good. Hop. Good girl. Nice job. Let's go. She's really easy to run. Nice windshield wiper pattern. Should be on a bird right there. Good job. Good job. Good, good. Hop, hold. Good job. Look at that, huh? Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. I know. That's pretty good, girl. Huh? Good job. Good job. Drop. Good girl. All right. Let's go. Good girl. Good. Good girl. Good. Nice way to hit the cover. Woo! Like it. Fill that hole. And bird. There you go. Moved, didn't it, huh? Good job. Here. Good. Up. Up. Come on. Good job. Good job. Up. Up. Hold that. Good girl. Hold. Hold. Good job. Good. Nice job, sweetie. Good job. I know, huh? Good. Good. All right. Good job. Good enough.